everyone, my name is Sumedha. Today we are going to do 10 minutes morning yoga stretch. We don't need any props. We just want to come into a comfortable sitting position. In the morning, sometimes the body is super stiff. Let go of any tension by closing your eyes, rolling your shoulders back and down, and lift the crown of your head up. Take a deep breath in and longer breath out. Setting an intention for today's practice or today's day with one word, how your day you would like to see. Have just one word of an intention setting for your day. Feel your body, feel sometimes the aches and pains carry in the morning, feel the stiffness lying around, maybe around your shoulders or your hips. In this 10 minutes of practice, we will be focusing on the full body. Try to relax where you are right now. And then slowly open up your eyes. Inhale, fingertips rising up towards the ceiling. As you exhale to the cactus arms, open up your chest. Inhale, fingertips rising up. Exhale, open up cactus arms. Inhale one more time, fingertips rising up. As you exhale, the right hand going towards the right side, the left hand onto the thighs. Lift the spine up and slowly twist your spine towards the back. Inhale, fingertips rising up. As you exhale, change your sides, lift up your spine first and then roll your shoulders and look back. From here, slowly inhale, fingertips rising up. As you exhale, this time the right hand going towards the right side, walking your fingers and opening your side of your chest, opening your heart, opening your left shoulder up. Inhale, fingertips rising up. As you exhale, change your sides. Open out from the left and the right elbows going all the way. Look up, maybe sink down. Inhale, come back again, fingertips rising up. And as you exhale this time, bring the fingertips down. Walk your fingers away from you and try to bring your forehead down. Feel the lower back here. The stiffness lies sometimes early in the morning. Let the head melt down. Let the body be in C shape. Feel your glutes. Feel your shoulders. Walking your hands back towards you and slowly make your way to come back. Coming on all fours here, pressing your fingers, pressing your palms, bringing your knees down, sending your toes back, your shin bones are down. Press your knuckles as you inhale, look up, chin up, chest up. As you exhale, rounding your spine, hollow back, C shape. Inhale, look up, chin up, chest up. Exhale, rounding your spine, hollow back. Inhale, soft breath in, look up. As you exhale, round your spine. Come back to the neutral spine position, tuck your toes and gently lift your knees slightly up. You're pressing on your fingertips, pressing on your knuckles, lifting, raising your both knees up, focusing on your glutes, focusing on your core, bringing your core more inside and your arms are more straight. One more breath in. And as you exhale, slowly open up your knees, come sit down into a child's pose. Walking your fingertips away from you and let your heart melt down. Breathe here, letting your shoulders to be soft. As you are melting down, you're trying to have your shoulders to be soft, your hips to be soft. Let the softness and the strongness pervade in this practice for we to wake up for working hard the rest of your day. Few more deep breaths in and out in this child's pose, Balasana. Maybe sway your forehead side to side. Sometimes we accumulate some tension around our forehead area. Let that energies, that mucus also goes, and let the forehead be soft. And then slowly make your way to come back in all fours, pressing your fingers, coming back into the downward facing dog. Be in this downward facing dog, walking your fingers away, bringing your forehead down, and your chest is coming down while your hips are kind of rising up, your middle buttocks rising up. Your heels are trying to come more down in this traditional downward facing dog. Walk this dog this morning at the same spot by bending your knees up and down, down and out. From here, slowly walk your hands back towards you. And bringing your right hand down as you inhale, raising your left arm, rising up. Bringing your left arm down as you inhale, the right arm rising up, your shoulders are open, feel your right arm going all the way back. Bringing your arm back, walking your fingers, coming into this high plank. And then softly bend your knees, bring your forehead down, your chest down, arms are towards your sides, cheeks are towards any of your sides, and completely rest here. This time we are coming into a Bhujangasana, a cobra pose. The hands are by your sides, your elbows are close towards you. Pressing your palms as you inhale, you're on your softer belly, but your chest is rising up. Your shoulders are away from you. Head is rising up. Feel the tension sometimes we accumulate on our lower back. Take that out. Breathe in. Breathe out. One more breath in. One more breath out. And as you exhale, slowly come down. Again, cheeks towards one of your sides, arms straight, palms facing up. Completely relax, soften it up. Come back, press your palms. This time, pressing your arms, making your way to come all the way up as you exhale. Come into the sitting position with on your heels. We are working on our heels this time. We are sitting into a Vajrasana, but heels are up and you're rolling your shoulders back. You're bringing your arms forward and we are working on our elbows and our fingers. Sometimes we have to be the whole day occupied in the typing, driving, looking at the phone, or doing the activities from our palms, from our hands, and they take its own toll. So we are opening and closing our fingers here. After 20 times or 20 movements, I feel the fingers gets a little tired, and that's how we build up the muscle. So let's do another 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 3, 2, and 1. Open up your shoulders, relax your knees, and come into a comfortable sitting position. Let me close our eyes, roll the shoulders back and down, and lift the crown of your head up. Coming back to our intention, let the seed grows. As the seed becomes a plant, that intention which you did in the starting of the class may be repeated one more time, and visualize its fulfilling. We will be ending our session with one Om, bringing your palms together, taking a deep breath in. Om. Rub your palms and then slowly face it on towards your eyes with a few blinks. Open up your eyes and look at the palms. Give a positive energy to your own self. Thank you so much for coming and sharing your beautiful energies here with me. Please write down in the comments below if you have any questions or if you want some other video which you want me to make it. Thank you so much. Namaste.